Eli had decided, on a perfectly ordinary Tuesday, to learn German. He had no idea what he had gotten himself into. Eli had decided that fresh air would help. Katze. The words came in and slipped right back out, like water through open hands. But he didn't go back inside. The strange thing about learning a language is that once you start, you begin to see it everywhere. The words were there, all around him, patient and still. His brain was starting to work in ways he didn't fully understand yet. By day 4, the words had stopped feeling like discoveries. They had started feeling like walls. The more he tried to hold them, the faster they slipped away. By the end of the week, Eli sat down at his desk like a boy carrying something too heavy for his size. It wasn't that he couldn't say the words. It was that they didn't feel like his yet. He told himself he was just getting air, that he wasn't thinking about German, that he was done with all of it for today.
Alles?
Maybe tomorrow. Maybe just one more word. He didn't make a big decision that morning. He didn't promise himself anything. He just picked it up. Some mornings, the bravest thing is just showing up again. Nobody tells you when it starts happening. There's no announcement, no fanfare. It just
Tauchen!
quietly begins.
My house!
Something had shifted in the night, like a tide that turns without asking permission. The words weren't walls anymore. They were windows. He was starting to believe that might be a good thing. He was learning to trust himself a little more.
Es war ein schöner Morgen. Der Junge wusste nicht, wohin er gehen sollte, aber er geht trotzdem.
And then he read one more page. He woke up the next morning and something was different. Not in the room, not in the neighborhood, in the space behind his eyes where the words lived.
Hund. Mein Hund.
There comes a point in learning something hard when you stop thinking about the learning. When the thing you worked so hard for quietly becomes just part of you.
Rennt und der Hund Bild und den so auf Romeint baut. Und die Katze miaut. Guten Tag, wie geht es dir? Etwas warne ich und da.
He didn't know how far the language would take him.
Guten Tag,
He just knew
das
he
ist
wasn't stopping.
ein Hund. Du bist mein Herr.
It had been 14 days since a perfectly ordinary Tuesday when a boy decided, for no particular reason and every reason, to learn German.
Hund, so, Katze.
He didn't throw it away. He wasn't done learning. He would never be done learning. Every journey begins with a single step.